Good morning. As you can see, some of the slab has been cut out. I have to dig out so that at some point this week plumbers are going to come here. This is going to be a post, and the reason a post is going here is because there's a beam going across, and this is going to be a loft area. We have a material delivery coming here sometime today to deliver the wood for it. I got to add a ledger all the way around. It's going to come all the way out to this post. This is going to get framed in. There's going to be a bathroom. There'll be a shower, toilet, vanity, and this air handler is going to be moved into that room that was framed out. There's also a window here I got to install. This little window goes in here. I'm going to start on the digging, then I'm going to do the window, and whenever that delivery gets here, if I have time today, if not today, tomorrow, start installing a ledger board. Good thing I was careful around here because there was that copper water line running through here. It's running over here to feed this. And it actually looks like one of these roots. Take it in there, but it's not a root. Alright, done digging all this out. The only other digging I gotta do is digging this out. That line does run this direction somewhere, so I gotta be careful. Alright, so that's 16. A couple more inches down from there, make that all the same, and then that's done. But I'm going to go out there and open it up and just take a look at it. So I gotta add it here, cut it here. There is your window opening. Let's go check it from the inside. Looking good, looking good. It is the next morning. I got some rebar. Got some stands. Some tie wire. Diamond blade. 1/2-inch drill bit. So what I got that diamond blade for is what I got to do is cut this stucco back more so I can add tape to the face of it. There's going to be the delivery this morning that was supposed to be here yesterday. They got behind, so they're delivering it this morning. So by 8, 9 o'clock which it's 8 o'clock right now. So within this next hour, we're expecting that delivery to be here. So we got your stands. I got your rebar. And look at your tie wires just tied together. So there's that. So when that pipe gets rerouted, then we gotta put this in. Go ahead and work that in there. Set it in the bottom. There you go. What's left, we can get 12 pins for what we have in this trench. So we have to mark it out. Got 1, 2, 3, 4. Pipes are going to be running up here. I don't want to put anything that's going to be in the way. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We can mark and cut these. 8, 16. I've got to be exact. Just pretty close. There we go. So we're gonna get them cut and we'll get them drilled, but we won't pin them yet because there's plumbing that needs to be done to fill it with dirt, and we have to lay plastic, but then it's going to get sprayed before that, so we're not ready for the pins yet. Alright, well, I'm done cutting those, but I just noticed this this blade, it's all chipped. This is very dangerous. This is where accidents happen. You try cutting something in these chipped spots, end up hitting and chipping off, and before you know it, like a chunk of it is flying at your face. Anytime there's chips or a chip in it or damaged or whatever, just break them so nobody uses them and then toss them. It's not worth it. Still waiting on the delivery. 16 till 9. It should be here in a minute. I have to knock all this slab out and then dig underneath the slab so that he can go from there straight through. I'll drill a bunch of holes, hit it with a sledgehammer, and I'll just break it up. Also, I got a meeting at 3 o'clock to go to another job. I'll be here. I have a meeting at 3 o'clock, but I'll be here till then, till like 2:30. So as long as it's here before then, just so because I have to load it inside the building here. So as long as it's there before, at least by 2 o'clock, because by 2:30 I gotta leave.
Okay.
That was a phone call from the delivery that's supposed to be here. They let me know that it's still a little bit behind. Oh, easy. Look at that. I was worried this little hammer wasn't going to do it. As long as I make them holes and weaken it. This is coming out. Delivery's here. I'm going to pull out of the way. Okay. Alright. That's all got to go in there. I'm going to hand load in there, so
Okay.
whatever we can get, you know, closest to that.
Okay.
To that
So I'll
door.
put the concrete in there first, probably. And then...
Yeah, because that's actually going to go right inside to the left inside the doors,
Okay.
and then the lumber, you know, I got a haul further in there, but you know.
I'll be able to turn it lengthways like this, so it'd be
Yeah, if
easier
you
to drag in
can.
there.
I know we got 20 footers. I don't know.
Yeah, there's a couple.
Hopefully there's enough room there to work. But
Yeah,
if
I
you
think
can get it that way, that'll make it easier to haul in, you know.
Yeah, I think I can get through.
Yeah, appreciate it. That's it for today. All the material is inside. And with the concrete, got all the lumber. Holes finished being dug. I'm about to head over to my meeting. Tomorrow morning I'm going to a condo job. I'm going to go there in the morning. I have to help move some furniture. I don't think I'm going to be there all day. Sounds like it's just going to be in the morning, maybe half a day. That's it for today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe.